All right, let's take a look here at SageMaker Processing. This allows you to easily run your pre-processing, post-processing, and model evaluation workloads on fully managed infrastructure. SageMaker Processing helps with the following ML processing workloads: feature engineering, data validation, model evaluation, model interpretation. You can also use Amazon SageMaker Processing APIs during the experimentation phase after the code is deployed in production to evaluate the performance. So here I have a diagram, and the idea is that we have a processing container image that can either be a single SageMaker built-in image, a custom Docker image that you provide, but the idea is that you give it input and then you give it output. So with SageMaker processing, you can work with the scikit. It looks like it's spelt wrong here. I apologize for that, but this should be scikit learn. And so here we can define it. And so here we're using the sklearn processor over here. And so there you are running the job. You can also use it with Apache Spark. And then you're using the PySpark processor here as an example. And here we are running the job. So, yeah, there you go.